I always say the most difficult aspect of development is the beginning, knowing how to code, knowing why we use variables, knowing why we assign to variables, knowing why we use if statements, and even knowing why to use functions. And programming languages in general are scary if you are new to programming. So in this particular course, we'll be using flowgorithm, which is a free beginner programming language that is based on simple graphical flowcharts. Now, the flowgorithm focus on the concepts of programming instead of the text base of the programming. And the importance of this flowgorithm is it helps you to concentrate on the concept rather than the typical programming language, like focusing on a language like Python, VB, or C#. So, if you are new to programming and you are getting, it's difficult to understand the reason behind programming, then you are welcome here. My aim is to help you to understand the concept of programming to help you in your development journey. And I believe at the end of this particular course, you'll be very comfortable and confident to learn any language you are interested in. So we'll go ahead and download the flowgorithm IDE. So I'll add the download link to the description. So let's go ahead and go to flowgorithm. You can search, you can go to Google and search for flowgorithm. Download. And let's click on the first link. Now let's go ahead and click on download. I've already downloaded it. I think it's a very small size. So let's just download it and install. So I already have the flowgorithm on my machine, so I'll cancel this one. So go ahead and download it and let's install it and let's continue from there. Okay, thank you. So this is the flowgorithm environment. Very simple, very straightforward. So the far side we have the save, we have this way we run the main application. We can run the application from here. And the nice thing is that you can slow the speed at which the application is running, also from here. And we can also zoom our chart. And again, the flowgorithm is trying to inform us that the programming languages do not matter so much. For a beginner, what you should concentrate on is understanding the concept of programming. So the flowgorithm is able to convert your chart to any language you want. So from here, we can check how to write this simple application here. In C#, you can convert it to, you can change it to any language you want. So for example, if I want to see how to write this code in Python, and in Python you don't even need to write anything when you want to do this. So in this particular course, we'll be diving into the flowgorithm to help us understand basic programming concepts like variables, like assigning to variables, like accepting user inputs, display something to the user, how to use arithmetic operation in programming in general, conditional statements, and I'll also be giving you practical works that will solidify your confidence in development. So I'll end the introduction video here, and we'll continue from our next video. Thank you.